I am Sufia Sajid from class 10 Pathfinder. I am here with Mr. Shanendra Pandey, a passionate biology teacher with love for his subject biology. Welcome, sir.
Thank you so much.
Sir, I would like you to ask a question. Who inspired you to become a biology teacher?
Actually, I want to share this event that when I was little, in 5th, 6th standard, I was totally inspired by a scientific journal that is known as Vigyan Pragati and scientific refresher book. So I found in that book DNA and gene, chromosomes, kidney functioning, a lot of queries were there. So when I asked to my teacher, when I was in class 5th standard, then my teacher replied to me, when you will in higher classes, then you will know all these queries. So I could not be satisfied by the teacher that time. So what I have done, I cut and paste these articles and I made a file. And I thought this thing, when I become in higher classes, then I will ask these questions in higher teachers or in higher classes teachers. So I made that file, and this file inspired to me that I had to done MSc in the biology field. So that's why I continue studying in biology, and I have done my MSc in 2000 from the Meerut College, Meerut. After it I have done B.Ed. Then I decided to become a biology teacher. But I got an opportunity because of I was in the field of biology, and biology is the main core subject for preparing the medical exams also. So that's why I decided that including biology teaching, I will prepare the NEET preparations also. That's why a lot of doctors during the 20 years I made, and those who are my students, and they are doing practice satisfactory in the city. It is a matter of pride that God has given to me the service in the field of biology. That's why I am the priest of biology. So it is the golden opportunity for me. Yes.
Sir, what are the career prospects in biology?
A lot of careers in the field of biology. It doesn't mean that those who are studying biology, they will become an MBBS or MD doctor or MS doctor. It is a very tough task because of we have to cross a tough examinations like as a NEET, and it is very costly. You know that MBBS cost is 1 crore in private colleges. It is not affordable by the middle class. So if you want to be a doctor, then you have to cross 90% in NEET examinations. Then you will get MBBS seat. Okay, so don't be disappointed. If you want to be MBBS doctor, no problem. A lot of courses are there. If you are not capable to do MBBS, then you can do BAMS, BHMS, BDS. These are the good streams in the field of medical science. You can join this and you can fulfill your dream. If you are not MBBS, no problem. Suppose you are not capable to do BAMS and you have not prepared the NEET examination, so a lot of careers are there, like as a paramedical. In paramedical, you can do pathological course, optometry course, dialysis technicians course, and operation theatre technologies course. A lot of course, pharmacy is also there, nursing is also there, agriculture is there, biotechnology is there. A lot of fields you can opt after completing biology. Or if you have decided that that you want to teach it, then you do BSc and MSc and B.Ed. Then you can make your excellent career in this field.
Sir, would you like to give any advice to your students who are struggling with the subject biology?
Yes, this is a good question. सपना देखना आसान है, लेकिन उसको फुलफिल करना आसान नहीं। सपने वो नहीं होते जो हम सोते हुए देखते हैं, सपने वो होते हैं जो हम जागते हुए देखते हैं। वो नहीं होते सपने जो हम सोते हुए देखते हैं। हर आदमी बनना चाहता है डॉक्टर, ठीक है? तो if you want to become a doctor or if you want to be in any type of a specialization, firstly you have to keep the patience and set your goal and prepare your mind for the competitive exam. Then you can fulfill your dream. It may be that in first attempt, in second step, in third attempt also you may not get the medical seat. Then in fourth attempt you have to be ready. दीवाने ही बनते हैं और जिनमें दीवानगी कम होती है वो एक साल में छोड़ देते हैं. I have seen a lot of students, those who are preparing continuously 4 years for NEET examinations. When I found, then they asked to, they said to me, sir मेरे 20 नंबर कम रह गए और मुझे BDS मिला. मैंने I left the BDS but I want to do MBBS. तो वो दीवानगी चाहिए और जिसमें वो दीवानगी होगी उसे वो मंजिल मिलेगी. ठीक, तो कीप पेशेंस, सेट योर गोल. दुनिया कह रही है क्या ना, तैयारी करो, सपना पूरा करो. क्या IAS एक बार में बन जाते हैं लोग? 3-3 साल तैयारी करते हैं तब जाके वो एग्ज़ाम में जाते हैं और ये भी श्योरिटी नहीं है कि वो 4th ईयर में IAS बन जाए. तो पेशेंस, कीप पेशेंस एंड सेट योर गोल and do hard work, then you will get your seat.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you so much.